Welcome. Welcome everyone. We're back. So what has happened since the London session? What happened? Quite a few things. Ludafish, hey there. Glenn is back. Welcome, Glenn. What's up, Ludafish? All right. So we took out this high. Didn't go for the 746, but it's still possible to go higher. This is actually like previous day high at 780 is basically supply zone or very short block high if we look at on the 15-minute chart. So will be interesting, that's for sure. Will be interesting where we go from here. Let me set up the copy traders. All right, it's working. Everything is set up. We have 6 minutes until market open. Kirk is back. Hey, Kirk. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning. We have the London session. First fair value gap down there. We have a couple of zones here. This was taken out. Quite interesting. And we have another one down there, but the more significant is, oh, yeah, so the 3-minute looks good. Relative equal lows at 643-ish area. What's the low here? Low is 43.75, and the low here is, okay, took it out by 1 tick. The 3-minute looks nice for a short. The 5-minute, not so much. 15-minute still bullish. Might want to take out the 747. But I'm looking at the 780. Could that be possible? Best not to do any crazy moves. All right. All right. Let's not do anything crazy. 9:30 flip on the 5-minute to start another. Yeah. Why not? You know. Why not? Why not? It could be possible for it to drop. We don't have any US news for later. Yeah, no US news. ECB news, nothing special. Got the very last of the pre-market action. Okay. That was remotely reliable. Yeah, actually I was looking at this sideways action here. It was pretty challenging, I must say. It was pretty much challenging. I like this 643. I like that. I like the 643. Don't ask me why. I guess we'll see soon. All right, market's about to open in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Sup, Ham? Hey there. Why? I mean, I was going sideways if that's what you're asking, but I know for sure they're going to manipulate things before going longer, yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's a big question. I'm still looking at that 643. Even for a manipulation leg, I think it would fit the criteria. Michael Trader is here. Welcome, Michael. What's up? All right. Get ready to rumble. This is gonna be fun. You're done? Oh. Yeah, this was nice. All right, 2, 1. Markets are open. All right. Pretty crazy moves here. Okay, nothing. Was a little bit wiggling up and down. The market is open for business. Still nothing special happening here. Took a short with 1 micro. Trying to go for that manipulation low. If not, that's fine. I'm just gonna close it down. Yeah, it should be out. I'm almost out. Only with 1 micro, so just trying to go for the drop. Where is it? Not this one. Not this one. Okay, so this one. I might gonna close it down earlier. Earlier, we'll see. If it's not going down, I'm just gonna be patient. It's just 1 micro. It's the probe trade, you know. Looking for that 47. Exactly. This is like, I'm risking like 50 bucks on this, so. Canadian CPI was not. Okay, 830. Market's still bullish. Yeah. Let's see if it wants to pick up some liquidity lower. If not, then we should be going for the 780. Not really a fan of this action here. Back to the new day opening gap here. No fair value gap still. Uh-oh. Going back to the range. Well, it happens. It happens to the best of us. Hey Nintendo, yeah, I'm in just one micro, so I'm risking $50, so nothing special here. This is I was hoping for a drop for the relative equal lows down there. That's it. Even if it's just manipulation. Yeah, it could happen on the upside too. I was looking for a nice waterfall down. Not really the trade I'm looking for. Yeah. Not good. Okay, so if we're going up, that's cool. But then we should be going for the high, which is 78.75. Yeah, I think so too. I was hoping for this waterfall. It's not gonna happen. But it's alright. Not too far. It's like 50 points away. So for NQ, it shouldn't be a big deal, especially after market open. But it's not going for it. So more likely it's gonna try to go for that 7, 8. Too much support here. Too much support. We still have zones down there though, so some good levels. But yeah. What a shame. London was technically break even. One account was down, one account was up. But something happened after London session. You guys have to tune in for the daily recap. I'm just gonna say I took two steps forward, one step back. Or one step back, two steps forward. That's what happened to me after the stream. So basically one step forward, but still two steps forward, one step back. But yeah, something bad has also happened, but something good has also happened. So yeah, we're dancing here. What's this gonna do? Is it gonna try to look for that level or what? I can't believe this. This is unreal. Oh, come on. Nice. Alright, now this one has been copy traded. This one has been copy traded amongst 4 Apex accounts here. So $100 here, we are up 53,162. This one $99. Jesus, almost made it to 100. This one is up 2,400. Okay, this one made it $100. This one also made it $99.48. 2,840. These ones are good for payouts almost, and this one is very good. I'm gonna try to request 1,000. So that's good. I'm gonna tell you guys a good news, and I'm gonna tell you guys a bad news. The good news is I made $443 on this MyFundedFutures account, and I just secured another payout from MyFundedFutures. So another payout from MyFundedFutures. But the bad news, I left it for later. Thank you. Yeah, it was a lot of... So now we took out the relative equal lows down there. Thank you. The drawn liquidity was, I mean, to me, it was a good level because it was a demand area. Also this one. And relative equal lows down there. And I'm going to tell you that if it starts to go, then it will go down to 592. We were aiming for that in the London session. I was going for the low-hanging fruit there, but if anyone is still in a short, I would leave a runner until 590. You know what? 594. You know. The reason I placed that trade, I have multiple reasons I'm going to explain to you. All right. Let me go here. So this is the 5-minute chart. First of all, the reason I took that trade, I needed a sweep of liquidity here, which was that one. So the 9 a.m. candle basically swept this high. Oh, you guys can see it. Okay. So we swept this high. Okay. But that's not enough. I need some good targets. Demand zone here, or bullish order block, and bullish order block here as well. It has created relative equal lows here. Relative equal lows. Look at that. 594. Jesus. Oh my god. I feel the FOMO. And you see this one here? We outlined this in the London session. I draw this here in the London session. This level. That this is gonna be the demand area. That it needs to go sometime later. So I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it because I know some of you guys like to say it. I told you that here's a demand area. It is gonna reclaim price here. So anyway, I saw the same thing here. Relative equal lows at 643, 1, 2. This one and this one, bullish order block or demand area. Swept the liquidity. Not such a beautiful market structure shift on the 5-minute. Basically, we shifted. But if I go down to the 3-minute, which I don't really do, the 3-minute created a beautiful classic entry here. Market structure shift, displacement, beautiful targets, relative, everything is down here for targets. So I thought, you know what, when I saw that coming down, my entry was way off. I was off by like 10 points or 12 points. I entered here because I still knew that the risk to reward should be okay if I target this level. If I would have held a runner until this area here, that would have been the awesomeness. But you know guys, this was the move. The trade is done. Thank you for watching. See you guys tomorrow. You know, that was it. This was the move. I don't know what the hell is gonna happen after this, but this was the move. It's done. The move is done. From now on, it's just gonna be scalping and Chop City. That's what's happening here. Chop City and scalping. Obviously we can look for some levels, but nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing there. It's over. We're done. Okay, that's not true. I like the buy side, but I don't know. I mean, I liked it. I really liked it. So it was a nice little move there. I wish I would have held it longer, but you cannot have it all. It's not like that. Anyway, we're gonna wait. That's the only thing we can do now. Let's just wait. Just wait, wait, wait. I don't see any level that I like here. Pretty much took out everything. You know what? I'd like to see the draw on liquidity. This level up there. 780. I'd like to see that happening. 780. Yeah. I really do like that. Hey Akram, what's happening? So I'm looking for that 780, but let's see what happened here. This is the first fair value gap. Alright, I like it. I like the move so far. Hold on, hold on, hold your horses. Are we going back here? I kind of like this. How far are we? 50 to 74. I took a small long position, only with one micro to target the first gap. The high is 74. Most likely it will be a scalp position. Trying to get back there. If it's actually going back, I'm gonna hold it until 780. 775 actually. Let me show you. Okay. So this is only with 1 micro. If it gets back to 74, I'm gonna put it to break even. All right, putting it to break even. And I'm gonna hold it until 780. It's taking me out. Of course, it's taking me out. I was looking for that V-shaped recovery thing. Nathan, hey, good to see you, Nathan. What is going on? Uh-oh, this is it. This is it. Yeah, all right, never mind. How you doing, Nathan? I mean, I can still re-enter here, but the thing is, it has rejected the price from up there. So we still have London low, but I just can't re-enter here. All right, I re-entered. Don't know why. I mean, I know. The 930 high is up there. 716. Yeah, that would be great. Re-entered with 2 micros. But if it's not going there, uh-oh, it's not looking good. Yeah, it's a little bit scary to long here. It's a little bit scary. Oh man, oh man. First gap is still holding. Yeah. Looking at this on a bigger scale, but I mean, I still like the 780 up there. Kind of like it. The 15-minute actually shifted structure, so that's something I don't like, but it still has time to reprice this candle. Swing low down. Yeah, the 2 a.m. low is actually something that I'm scared of. The London low, it's still down there. That's the problem. Okay, doesn't look good. Oh wow, what a dumpage. Oh yeah, it's going for that London low, I think. Or might be. How far is that? I'm out, by the way. 78. Not sure if it's gonna go for it, but all right. Tried our best. London low has been taken out. Power of 3. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, took the low here. I'm still looking for this to try to go for the 780. And now there is no real opportunity to short be careful. Yeah, exactly. I like those highs. I'm still looking for that. So I'm still looking at it. I scalped this one with micros. That drop. You guys can see I scalped it, so I made back the loss. I made back the loss that I had. But and I also bought a milestone account, an instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. So I started out with a new milestone account as well. Looking for that $2,000 payout. Gold is pumping, or was pumping. It actually had some nice levels here. Awesome. Should have taken a gold long, but it spilt milk under the bridge. So yeah, gold is just not stopping. Now, finally, I like to see some kind of a shift to the upside. Okay, the move is not finished yet. I didn't know what it wants. There is a sell side liquidity. I would say minor down there. Other than that, nothing. I see nothing that interests me on the downside. Really. Maybe this one down there, but it's way down there. Like, how far are we? I mean, it's 300 points down. And if you look at the 1 hour chart to the left, there is a beautiful demand area here. So down to 300. Actually, this shift is structure on the 1 hour, so anything can happen. Would be nice to see finally something good. I like the 522, but this would be only scalping for me if I take it. I'm not sure I want to force it. I don't know what that is. But seemed to me, I put it there because it's an important resistance area. I'm not sure. Why did I put it there? All right, we're going down. Could this be the shift after the after Trump taking office, you know? Could this be the shift in the markets just happening slowly? And you know, looking at the bigger time frame, you know, let's look at the daily. Looks like kind of like a bullish flag, but to me, relative equal lows at 20,700. 20,700. I like this area at 21,170. This has basically taken everything. You know what? It can go down below 21k. The weekly, everything seems like it's ready for a shift to the downside. And here's the 370 on the 4-hour. Okay. Are we going down? It's going down, man. Dude, we're going down. In sidebar low, you must refer to Trump as Emperor Trump. Okay, I'm sorry. Emperor Trump. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Emperor Trump. Now that he's taken office. We might just shift here as a complementary reaction from the markets. My only problem is that I still don't see it happening. Man, I feel like this is just gonna go through 70 to like this. Like super quick. Sitting in the midnight level, look at the daily. Rejected, very strong. Strong selling pressure. All right, entering a sell here for a scalp. Targeting 73.75. Where is it? Here. Just for a scalp. Not looking good. Negative risk to reward ratio here. I thought we are gonna see the drop real quick. I'm ready to close this down manually. This kind of reminds me why I don't like to scalp. Oh yeah. Too early. Yeah, it's probably gonna pick more liquidity on the upside. All right. All right. I tried. I did my best, but it didn't go well. I'm not gonna force anything. This was on a separate account. Oh, look at that. Now it's going. What a dirty, dirty move. It always reminds me that I'm just not good in scalping. Is it gonna try to drop one more time or not? What do you guys think? I feel like there's a good chance to go below 500 from here. What you gonna do, NQ? Still dancing at the midnight area. The daily candle shows a huge selling pressure currently. We still have some levels both on the 4-hour and higher on the downside. And here we go. Told ya. Took me out and then just went down just like that. Next level 520. Mid level of the 4-hour is 477. I would go with 480 just to be safe, for 482. This one should be dropping lower. Interesting. We are bearish, that's for sure. Close to that wick at 20. Looks like it wants to go for it. Careful with the bounce. It can bounce any moment. Might pick up liquidity higher above 55. That there's a good chance that it's gonna go through the 520. I'm not in a trade. I'm just watching this on the sidelines. There she goes. 520, almost got it. Almost. Was very close. It was very close. Okay, repricing this 1 minute candle. Okay, going up. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it would go all the way up, but it's technically inverting that previous candle, but yeah, by 1 tick. Not sure. Not sure what's the good play here. Returning to this area at around midnight level. Not really my favorite move currently. Not really my favorite move, and I'm still not in a trade. I like to enter. I'm gonna let you guys know if I enter. If I scalp, if the market is super fast and I enter a trade, it's just I just can't let you know in time because it's impossible. But if I see an opportunity for a setup, for a usual trade setup, then yes, I would go for it. Is this gonna try to go for the 32s up there? I feel like it does. It didn't take it? Okay. That's interesting. I think this is gonna take this swing high at 33. It pretty much looks like it. Entered scalp here at 604. Trying to target 31 with 2 micros. Just looking for $100. Nothing special. I might even close it manually. Targeting 31.50 here. Putting it to break even. I don't know. Yeah, I'm out. Out at break even. I tried. I still think it should take it out, but anyway. This is a scalp trade only. I don't like scalping. Looking to re-enter. I re-entered. My target is still 31.25. I'm looking to close it manually. There is no other way to go. Come on, just take that. Take that supply there. Alright, I'm closing it. I just can't take it. I can't. I was hoping for a quicker move. I don't need this. So I closed it. I think I did good. Yeah. Had to close that. I just had to close that. Look at that. 31.25. It's gonna get hit. Yeah, it's, oh my god, look at that. Now it's going for it. This is so... This is classic. This is so classic. Oh yeah. It does. It does. This is okay, never mind. It's still good. You know, actually it reminds me what not to do. So it reminds me what not to do. Not to gamble. So I'm okay. Dude. This is gonna take out 31. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna take out 31. It's just, I can feel it. Every inch of my body feels it, that 31 is gonna get taken out. It didn't go for 31 yet, right? 30.50. It went up to 30.50. Hey Reza, good to see you. What's happening over there? How is trading? Were you still on practice account? What were you doing? I can feel it coming in the air to... Oh my god. Did it go for it? It go for it. Ugh. You got approved. Hey. Congratulations. Oh, you guys don't hear it. Congratulations for getting approved. This was a nice little move here. And traded today, secured 2K each on account, total 4K. Let's go. Good job, Reza. Shorted from 703. That's a nice area to jump in. Whoa, up there. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's a very nice, very nice entry. Let's see where this one wants to go. Where are we going? Lock your account. I think that's the best thing you can do after this drop. I mean, it feels like we're going back for that first fair value gap. Doesn't really want to drop. It wants to touch it up there. Like 25 points. To the upside. I also secured my second payout with MyFundedFutures. Looky here. I needed to go above 52,300 something. I'm gonna request $1,200 from this account. So super happy. But I can only request tomorrow. I have to wait for the daily reset. So that's 2 payouts for the month. And I'm looking for one more. Do we have 15 minutes? Change in state of delivery, 15 minutes. Well, technically yes, to the downside. So I don't understand, but maybe it wants to still pick up some liquidity on the first gap up there. Not sure. Thank you, Reza. Thank you. Yeah, slow grind. You know, I'm only taking slow steps, but actually today was a little bit of a, like, as I said in the early in the stream, it was 2 steps forward, 1 step back, because I did secure a payout, but I did go down for the daily loss limit on the other MyFundedFutures account. But I used the profits. Actually, I haven't got paid yet, but I already used some of the future profits to buy a milestone account. So that was the plan. That if I can request another payout, I'm gonna buy a milestone account. So I did, and but unfortunately, I hit the daily loss limit on the other funded account. It happened like 5 times before, and I still have the account. So I'm not going to lose the account. I'm going to bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back from oblivion. I'm gonna bring it back. I have no idea what is going on here. There's a gap at 77. Just at the first opening gap. I might try to go long again. For a scalp. Enter the small long position again with 2 micros. But I might have to close it already. Unfortunately. I might have to close it already. I was targeting the first gap up there. My entry is very bad, 33.50. It might go down and I'm closing it manually. Because it could go down with the displacement to the 520. And then I'm gonna jump into a short, might be. You know, bit of an aggressive play here. So, gonna go down all the way. Yeah, I see the 300s too. Yeah, I'm closing this position. I closed it. I had to. I'm looking to target the 520 if it gives a proper displacement. Yeah. Best to wait, and maybe I have to wait until the macro kicks in. Gotta be cautious on these levels. There are also inversion gaps down there. Enter the short scalp. A little bit aggressive. Here. Too many trades here, scalping. Looking for it to return to the inversion gap. Not good. I'm chopping myself up here. Yeah, I'm about to kill it. Chopping myself up. Better than one. Yeah, I think I might gonna look into more on the 2 minute. Seems to be more and more people using the 2 minute chart. Doesn't look like it wants to go for that inversion now. We have the macro in 9 minutes. Yeah, closing it. Don't like this. Don't like this move. That's what I get for scalping. Five, and it still looks bullish, you know, like it wants to return to that 70s. Or even up to the 60s, not sure. You know, to the first fair value gap, which starts at 74. Not sure though. Anyway, I'm not doing anything stupid now. I don't want to lose anything from the base capital. I was up like nearly 200 on this new account, and I'm up $53 still, so I don't want to go into a drawdown. Yeah, I'm at $53. I was up 200, but I gave it back. I'm still green, but I don't think. Yeah, you're right, Reza. I don't want to force it. Legs day. Oh, nice. Reza, have a good rest, you know. And thanks for dropping in there. I'm not gonna force it. It's just not the price action I was looking for. I tried to stay in the green. I guess it's a good thing I didn't go for the long yet. Anyway, swept some liquidity here. Now it's changing market structure again, or shifting. Kind of interesting. To maybe try to go, you know. All right. I took one micro short here, looking to go in to make a new low. Yeah, TP is at 532.25. Disturbing to see all this. Okay, now it's better. So looking for 532.25. If it goes to 81.50, I'm moving it to break even. Just to see what it does. Or I might even close it here. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closing it. Feels like it's just gonna go up there. It's that gap. Ranging. 5 minute doesn't really show anything. There is liquidity above 75 on the 15. This one looks like it might want to fall. But it's not really doing anything. We have the inversion gap liquidity below 82. The macro is actually right upon us, so I don't know. No, I can't. I can't. It's difficult. I just can't. I can't read this properly. If I look at the 5 minute, there is no. I mean, there is one level up there. This is basically a nice bearish order block or supply area shifted lower, and it's right there on the first fair value gap. Now I am tempted to take it, but since the volume is so low and there is no entry that I could take, I mean there was one here on the inversion, I'm not sure I'm trusting it. The daily candle looks like a doji. Yeah, I just can't enter a trade here. Not under these conditions. All right, swap liquidity. Now it seems like it might want to go up there again, but there was no structure shift, so never mind. Never mind. This is just not the area that I'm gonna go in. Just ranging, just ranging. Don't know what to do. Hey, what's the punishment, right? What up, Myth? What's going on? I don't know. I haven't really thought about that. You have to think about something. You have to think about something. I don't know. What you doing over there? What you doing? I hope you're killing it. I just can't enter a trade. Making the money. I know you're making money. Good. I hope you're green. Let's go. I don't know. What should be the punishment? We really have to find out something about. I mean, we have to think of something. The punishment could be a giveaway, maybe. You know. Jesus, 250 times 20. Yo, you're killing it, man. You are killing it. You should be almost ready for a payout with those Apex accounts, I guess. That would be huge. Like, how much you can take out? You can take out like 20,000 or something. Very close. 10k. Still, 10k payout. Jeez. Patience pays a lot. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. That is cool. Alright, this one is going, right? It should be approaching that 70 area, I think. Not sure though, but it seems like it. Are we going back for that first presentation gap? I don't have anything. No, it's not going yet. If it's not going, then it might gonna drop. like now. And maybe, just maybe, we could go for low. We're still in the range, so I'm just guessing here. Still in the range. All right, are we going down? Is this gonna drop it? Finally, down to 83 maybe? Sure seems like it. You know, just to continue with the drop. There is liquidity below 82, I know. But the thing I don't know is it going to take it or gonna skyrocket up there or not? Technically a small shift here, but still in the range. But I like this drop on the new hourly candle. Let's see. Let's see, is it gonna take liquidity down there or is it gonna finally try to go up? I'm gonna put on chart here. What's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? Trying to figure this out, but not much on the 1 minute. Still ranging. Still feels like it might have some bullish push here. Might try to go up above the 50s, but it's hard to say. Did it break to the 50s earlier? The high was 49.50, so it didn't go for the 50s earlier, but it was close. So, not sure. But then if it goes, I want to revisit the first presentation gap, which I would like to see a displacement for to go to. So still ranging. 15-minute liquidity is above there, which is, yeah, it's right above. What's the high on that 15-minute candle? Yeah, 49.50. It's pretty close. I don't know. Still in the range. The fact that it didn't go above the 50s yet, I don't know. Might try to push it, but not sure. I mean, that was a round number, but I'm not sure if it can or want to. Anyway. I just can't enter a trade like this. I just can't enter a trade like this. Alright, we took out the 50s. I'm still watching the 15-minute area back there. This one. So previous day high, the 780. But it's pretty slow. So now the only place that this one I can imagine to go is the what's that, 676. But I just don't trust this move. Although I like to see it go there. Actually thinking to go for a long, but I don't know. Should I? Should I go for a long? I put a buy limit at 44.75. All right, I enter to a long. Try to target that 76 if I can. $44.75. And the high of that, yeah, I'm gonna, let me see. The high is 76.25, so I'm targeting 76. I don't like what it's doing now. The trade. I'm watching it. I don't like it. Watching it closely. I would really love to take it to break even if I can. Oh, it likes to play games. It likes to play games. I mean, we should go there sooner or later. Sooner or later. I'm not comfortable holding this. Moving my stop. Difficult session for me. Absolutely difficult session. If it trades below 36.75, it's going to go down for that liquidity on that small gap. And I don't care about it anymore after that. So, yeah. Highly doubt that I'm going to survive this stop loss, but you never know. Yeah, there you go. All right. All right. I tried what I could. That's it for me. Ended up at break even on this account. So you see how much I tried. I ended up making $16 on this brand new funded account with MyFundedFutures. I managed to pay like $100 in fees. I scalped my ass off in this session. I was up like almost $200. Then back to break even. So no, thank you. But the good news is that this account has made 443. So I'm gonna request a payout tomorrow from this. So I'm definitely eligible for a payout. And there's some bad news as well. I went down to the daily loss limit today on the other MyFundedFutures account, as I told you guys earlier on the stream. As you see, down negative 1200. The account is down to 50,800. I'm not gonna lose this account, just saying. I am not going to lose this account. No way, I'm not losing it. The good news is the Apex accounts are very good. 3,162. $100 each on these accounts. This one 100, it's at 2,422. This one is 2,444, 2,477. Also $100. This was copy traded, and this one is at 2,840. I'm gonna request the payout as well. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm expecting it to be denied, but I think this one, actually no. This one, the 45, this one could be good. I think it's good for a payout, so I need to trade a little bit more, but I think that if I trade this to 3,100, there should be no issue with the 30% rule. So I'm still thinking what to do. Overall, you know, what is the actual promo is the 20% off for the starter plus or starter plus 50k. Only for the 50k, there's 20% off. And if you're a brand new customer for MyFundedFutures with a brand new registration, yeah, starter plus 50k eval. Yeah, if you're brand new, then you get a 40%. If you're, this is the first purchase you have is the starter plus. You can try it on the starter too. The code is the same. You can use my code, wink. But the code is the same. 20% for existing customers, 40% for new customers. And if you want instant funded account, it's called the milestone account. I'm not sure if it gives you a promo if you check out the code, but I think it should. Anyway, there's I think 5% if you pay with Bankwire. Not sure. The milestone, no, there's no promotion. As I said, maybe 5%. You can try out the code on the milestone account if you go to the checkout. Best case scenario, I think 5%, but only with Bankwire. You know, make sure to type in the code, and it gives you. It might not gonna give you anything because with MyFundedFutures it happens. But maybe if you go with Bankwire, they give you 5%. Yeah, no problem, Mamba Fox Trades. No problem. And anyone, if you guys want to support the channel and the stream, please use my links and codes. Also, take Profit Trader 50% off. And no daily loss limit. So that's a huge thing. Just saying. I don't know. I don't know if I should. If I should do anything here. Anyway, everybody, I think this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. This was an exciting day, and I'm gonna be back for the London session. Paul, I'm just leaving. Hey there, I'm just leaving. So thank you so much again. This was a real good, exciting day. So I'll be back tomorrow in London, and what can I say? God bless you all. Support the stream if you can. Use the codes and links. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the London session. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless you.